Hello, my beautiful food lovers. Welcome to Luscious Kabe, your cozy corner for easy, mouth-watering recipes crafted with love, a sprinkle of joy, and everyday ingredients. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned home chef, we're here to make cooking fun, simple, and absolutely delicious. So, tie up your hair, put on that apron, and let's whip up some magic together. Let's get cooking, and let's make every bite unforgettable. Add sliced onions. Mix well and continue cooking. Fry until golden brown. Drain, remove onions. Blend and make paste. Add onions, paste to ground meat. Add ginger garlic paste. Add poppy seeds. Add yogurt. Add green chilies. Add fresh coriander or cilantro. Add mixed spices. Grind well. Grease hands with oil. Make meatballs of equal sizes. Add cooking oil. Add ginger garlic paste. Mix well and continue cooking. Add onions, paste. Mix well and continue cooking. Add mixed spices. Mix well and continue cooking. Add yogurt. Mix well and continue cooking. water. Mix well and continue cooking. Continue cooking on low to medium flame. Add meatballs. Cover and continue cooking on low to medium flame. Boil some eggs in parallel. Meatballs are ready to be served. Add half-cut eggs. Soft and juicy meatballs are ready. Garnish with green chilies and fresh coriander or cilantro, and serve with roti or naan. Enjoy! Don't forget to hit subscribe or follow button so you never miss out on our tasty adventures. Show the love by sharing these recipes with friends and family, because good food is meant to be enjoyed together. Also, do like and share your thoughts by commenting.